Today we're going to be taking a look at something new. What's new about me? My contacts. Da, 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 da. Hey guys, so I am Tiffany K. Welcome to my channel. We do beauty reviews, and a little fact about me, I am actually getting married in about a month. Yes. So the company we're going to be taking a look at today is called Lens Journey. Now, they basically are a lens subscription service for $25 a month. Okay, and they have your prescription. Sis, if you're not happy about this, take a minute, think about what I said, and come back. Okay? Just take a minute. Now, subscription services have been the rave, has been something that people have really been into, and I do like some of them. So when I found this new contact company called Lens Journey and saw that they were doing a lens subscription, I was really excited about the concept. So you're going to receive a mystery pair of contacts every single month. And so for $25 you get a pair of contacts with or without your prescription, whatever you choose, that come to your house every month. And I was really excited about this because I love contacts. I love contacts with different looks. I do love my own natural eye color, which is what I wear 90% of the time. But sometimes when I want to do an extra glam look, I know a pair of green eyes could really set it off. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I like colored contacts. And for me, this is an affordable way to try many different contacts, and it's worry-free for me. It's I just get to try out different contacts, and it's only $25. So we're going to take a look at their website, and as I can show you, I totally love the whole layout of the website. Now on the website it does say that you can cancel at any time, so it's not something that you're tied into. So you can try them for 1 month, and if you like what you see and you like the subscription service, you can keep going, or you can cancel at any time. So it's commitment free, really. It's on your terms. So that's one thing that I do like. Another thing that I do like is you receive a box like this. So I'm just going to do a close-up. Inside of every box, you're going to open it up. There is a pair of contacts. That's this month's contacts. A contact case. And you also get a challenge card. Now, this challenge card tells you to do something and to post something on social media. And if you do that, you receive a special gift in the following month's box. So being that this is the first month, I'm very interested to see what the free or special gift is going to be next month. But this is going to be your challenge card. So the challenge for this month is to give a smile to every stranger you meet for the next 30 days. And it says capture a moment and tag us. So capture a moment of yourself sharing a smile with a stranger and post it on your social media, and tag them in it, and you get a special gift. And I can honestly say I would not have chosen this color on my own. So I'm happy that it gave me the opportunity to try something new. Some things that I do like about these contacts is that, number one, these particular pair were easy to apply, they feel nice on my eye, and they are all good for 6 months. So that's one thing that I really love, that any pair of lashes that you get from there are good for 6 months. And on top of that, you can cancel at any time. So if you're not happy with the contacts that you're getting, you didn't like them, whatever the case may be, you're broke, whatever, you can't afford it, you can cancel at any time. But $25 for a pair of prescription lenses is a really good deal. So as you can see, the contacts come in these little cute bottles or vials, and you pour them into your contact case. Now, I would highly recommend you go see an eye doctor before applying contacts so they can show you proper cleaning, cleansing, disinfecting, and application. Which are all really important, and you should follow your doctor's instructions on how to do that, not a pamphlet. So I would highly recommend. And they also tell you that in the pamphlet to use proper cleansing. So you're going to to use a contact solution. The one that I like to use is the BioTrue multi-purpose solution, and then I also have one that is a cleaning one that comes with like a special case. And I'm trying to see where I put it. I believe I left that in the bathroom, and that one really deep cleans and disinfects your contacts. But to use a proper solution and to follow the instructions on the solution to clean and care for your contacts. Now, you don't receive any kind of contact solution, so you will have to buy your own, which I am not comfortable with just using random contact solution. The only one that works for me is this BioTrue, and that's the only one that I do use on my contacts. But all in all, I really love this. I can't wait to see what comes in next month's box. And how I feel about those contacts. I really enjoy the ones that I have on my eyes now. I'm actually headed out to work as we speak, so I will see what everyone says and if anyone notices the new contacts that I'm wearing. But if you like this video, make sure you thumbs up. As you can see at the bottom, there is a link to Lens Journey in the description box. That is also an affiliate link, so just know by clicking that link you are supporting my channel, and I would greatly appreciate it. But I would like to see some of your feedback and if this is something that you would try. So let your girl know. But until we meet again, stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye, beauties.